Okay, I'm going to attempt to waterproof some paper. So I've got my paper, I've got some petroleum jelly, okay there, which is liquid paraffin, which should, we use it for waterproofing. Fishermen use it on their clothes to waterproof them before that. Hopefully we can get it. I'm going to use this brush here, a pastry brush, to apply it to the paper. And then I use this hairdryer to help melt the paraffin, and hopefully it will go and penetrate into the paper fibers and make it really waterproof. Let's try our first one. Yeah, I'll pause this. So I'll take the wax and just apply it to the paper. My brush, and do that until it's covered. Okay, so I think I've now covered the paper fully. So I'm now going to get a hairdryer, set it onto hot mode. And try melting. Looks like I missed some bits. I'm just going to apply wax to the areas that don't seem to be fully covered. Okay, I think I've put wax all over it. So I'm going to test it out. So I'm going to put the paper under the stream of water and see what happens. Wow. That does look, water is just running off it. It does indeed appear to be now waterproofed. Let's try the other side. Okay, both sides seem to be waterproofed. Okay, now I've got to fold this into some sort of raft, but I'm going to go for the standard old boat. So let's fold this over. I'll have to take photos as I go. I'm going to do this one-handed. Folded it in half. Folded the folded ends into triangles of that. I'm now going to lift this flap up. I'm going to do the same to the other side. I've now made a waterproof hat. I'm then going to fold this over. I'll take it and just bend it this way so the crease is in the center. So I've now got this. I'm now gonna take the loose end and fold that over there, and then do the same to the other side. So I've now got this. Then going to square it and open it. Should now be able to open it by pulling open these flaps. And I should have a boat like the non-waterproof one over there. Let's have a look. There we have our boats. One there, one there. Looks a bit low down on here. I'm a bit anxious about that. We'll come to that in a moment. Let's see how they float. Okay, so in goes my normal paper boat. See how well that floats. It's doing okay. Now we're going to put it in my hopefully more waterproof boat. I'm going to start loading things onto that and see how much they take before sinking happens. Okay, so I've got these chickpeas. I'm going to try putting them in. So first try and get some into, try and evenly balance it. Well, the paper, it's not doing too bad, the non-waterproof one, is it? Oh, it sank. It did sink at that point. But whether that was because of water logging or just water going in, we don't know. Will I be as harsh on my so-called waterproof one? So it's dealing with the uneven keel better. Let's go on this side. Okay. Okay, we've got letting water in. Let's just tip the water out, see if we can stay afloat. See, that's the difference here. We've got the water thing, and no, we've definitely still got a sinking happening. Let's see if we can redo it. So I'll take you out, put you back like that, take you out. Now, if we try again after our sinking, now this one is a bit of a sorry affair. I don't think we're going to get very far with our paper one, but the Vaseline boat is doing all right. It's been rescued from the seafloor and is having another go. Let's keep putting things in. I don't think you've got much chance. Let's carry on going with this one. Yeah, it's once again watertight. It's not letting water in. It is once we tip it under. Let's get this out again. So I'm going to try and get this loaded this time fairly and see how much I can take. So here we have that previously sunk boat, still very much floating on the water. I think pretty much any more. You can see the water levels right there. So we're not being limited by the waterproofing, we're being limited by the depth at which the boat sinks with the increased weight until it gets to the point where the water's allowed in. But we definitely got a waterproof raft there. Take it off. Okay, I'm going to weigh these chickpeas and see how many we got in there. So I've zeroed the weighing scale. I'm now going to tip the peas in and put it in any water that was inside. So my single sheet one took 158 grams of chickpeas. And still 158. Take this out. Put this back on. We'll see at its own weight was a mere 11 grams.